Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case if you don't know who is here, this fine lady, her name is Jessica. Yes guys, I am a young growing YouTuber based in Nnewi, Anambra State. So guys, I am excited because the last video that I put up on my channel, people are like, oh, I love this video, how you did it, like the pap video that I posted on how to do the whole process of making pap. People loved it and they were telling me keep it up. Like I was kind of emotional. So I decided to do another video on how to make a corn starch from scratch. I plan to do this video like how to make a corn starch and also how to turn that corn starch into custard. At second thought I said no, let me do a separate video on how to make a corn starch. Then later on, the next DIY video, I will do how to make a custard. So guys, if you want to know how I will do this corn starch, don't go anywhere, keep on watching this video, do not click out, please stick on. I have interesting, educating, motivational videos on this channel, and even have ones I will still upload. So keep it up with me, and yeah, let's go there. So here I am in the market trying to get the white corn or maize, because this species of corn is the most preferable one to do this edible corn starch. So guys, after that I came back and washed everything properly. Then I took it to the engine, same market, that same day, because no need of storing it. No need, because we want to do the edible corn starch. When you want to store is when you want to make pap, but this one is edible corn starch, no need of storing. Please do not use your blender because the blades will spoil. It will spoil. Better take it to market where you can use bigger engine, industrial engine, to grind everything properly. So guys, the maize that I bought was 500 naira worth of maize in Nigerian currency. So that is it. I tried as much as I can to wash everything properly so that I can take off the dirt, sands and impurities from the corn. Guys, I added ginger, because I love so much ginger. I love ginger because of that aroma, that taste. You understand, it gives it one sweet aroma. So I try to add enough ginger to this product, and I love the outcome so much. I love it. Please, at this point, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, my darling, please try to subscribe so we can become one family. And I assured you, you will love this channel. This channel is full of life. This channel is a banner. So guys, I'm trying to sieve everything out. As you can see, I'm trying to sieve everything out. So guys, I hope at your own convenience you can be able to make edible corn starch, because this is one of the easiest thing to do. So I've stored the water so I can, everything can settle down. Then I can easily decant the top. This is what I'm trying to do, decant the top and take the rest and pour into a thicker pillowcase. You can use a pillowcase for this, and it's dripping water. You see how I hanged it? Yes. So I spread the mixture under the sun, under the sun. And here we have it. Once everything is dry, this is what you have. Yeah, I hope you love it. Please subscribe and stay tuned on this channel, because I have interesting things coming up soonest. Bye.